Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Issues with Dr. Stan. Today, I feel that it is very important that before we proceed on our activities on this channel, that I should relate to you what gave birth to this channel and what we intend to achieve at the end of the day. This channel, what gave birth to it was that we looked around almost in every family. There is one issue or the other you must find in every family. Domestic violence is almost taking over our marriages, our home. Divorce is all over the place, including in the church of God, which ought not to be like that. So we dive into research to know actually what led to all these things. Why are people no longer staying in marriage? Why is there this issue of I love you today and tomorrow this person is using one bottle to break the other person's head? Why is it this issue of you are the sugar in my tea, and the next day the news will come out and say husband stabbed wife to death, wife pours acid on the husband? These things gave us a lot of concern, and we dive into investigation, into questioning people, into research, and we came up with some of these things we are going to discuss here. Also, I like to let you know that I am also a married man with experience, and of course, you know, just like I said, there is one issue or the other in every family, and mine is not an exception. One problem or the other will always arise once in a while, and by the grace of God it will be trashed out and we move on. But we now find it interesting to help others who may not know the way forward, and through that our investigation we discover that there is this one particular major issue that almost everybody we interviewed, everybody we ask one question or the other will always point at, even though there are other factors that could cause it. But we discover that this particular one now is the major factor that is leading to all this fracas and all these problems in marriage, both divorce, both domestic violence, both killing your husband and the wife killing the wife killing the husband and the husband killing the wife, and the children against the father and the father against the wife and the mother, and so many other things, problems in the family. We discover that the major issue in all these things has to do with the way they relate sexually in that family. We discover that so many women are suffering from sex starve. So many men are suffering from sex. In fact, some family are even sexless as we are talking now. Some of them for 6 months, for 1 year, for even 2 years. Nothing like sex is going on in that house. In fact, they are just living for mere living together. They don't even have any other reason to still live together. These are our findings, and we discover that that is what we are going to dwell on in this channel, in these issues with Dr. Stan. Our major issue, our major reason is to mend marriages and relationships, is to repair relationships and marriages, is to direct couples and intending couples on the right step to take, in as much as what we are going to say here is our personal opinion, but that doesn't make it final. You can still argue, you can still disagree with us, but at least do it constructively. So that is why we have come to this channel, to help ourselves, to move forward. In this channel, always remember that we will always call a spade a spade. We cannot call a spade by any other name. We will always go straight to the point. We will be raw and we will not look at anybody's face. It doesn't matter the gender you belong. All we know is that we will be saying the truth as it is. Whether you like it or not, we are here to mend marriages and relationships. We are here to repair relationship and marriages. That is our major aim. So the reason we are saying this is so that when you are following us, you will know exactly what you are going to get from this channel. That is not to say that once in a while we will not deviate and discuss one or two things happening around us, happening within our society, but our major aim will be on marriage, on mending marriages and relationship. In that mending marriages and relationship, the major target will be sexual related issues. Thank you for watching, and I ask you again, tell your brother, tell your sister, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. Always remember to comment, like and share if possible. It's well with you. Thank you.